We got our girls this kids barbecue grill play set that is inspired by Frozen, and it's in the color blue, and it comes with so many different foods like this hamburger, the onion, and it does have Velcro so the kids can pretend that they are cutting it, and it will split into for the onions, for example. Now, let me go ahead and show you everything that it comes with. It even comes with the charcoal, 3 pieces of charcoal. It's also going to come with different apparatus so you can cook, like the tong, for example. It also comes with a salt and pepper shake. It comes with a piece of meat. It comes with a piece of chicken, sausages, and everything is plastic, so you don't have to worry about your kids breaking it. And it's also big enough that is safe for little kids as well. It even comes with the plates, with the ketchup container, a piece of corn, so many fun items. So the kids can really pretend that they are grilling and barbecuing. Now, let me go ahead and show you around the grill. But before I do that, I have to let you know that you will need 3 batteries for this one, and the batteries do not come with it. Another fun thing is that you can even add a little bit of water to the bottom of the grill, and it will pretend that it has that grill smoke. So you just add the batteries, add a little bit of water, turn it on, and you'll get that pretend smoke from the grill. So over here, you can also change the grill settings. Actually, you just pretend because you're not really changing any settings. But look at how cool it looks. It's like a real live grill for kids, and my kids absolutely love playing with this toy. It keeps them entertained for hours. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.